We have a question on the board. It's mathematics, right? All right. 4x minus 9 equals 2x plus 3 over 3. We are asked to solve for x. Pay attention. Solution. You rewrite the question. 4x minus 9 equals 2x plus 3 over 3. This is a fraction. We can also make this a fraction because this is something as 4x minus 9 over 1. Are you following? All right. Because there's an equality sign here, the next mathematical step to take is to cross multiply. Follow carefully. 3 will multiply this numerator. 1 will multiply this numerator. So we now have 3. We put this in bracket. 4x minus 9, bracket close, equals 1. When 1 multiply 2x plus 3 is the same thing. So we'll write it outright. 2x plus 3. 1 multiplying this is the same thing. So let's open the bracket. 3 will multiply 4x to give you 12x. 3 will multiply minus 9 to give us minus 27 equals 2x plus 3. We are getting close to the value of x. Now the next thing to do is to collect lactants, right? 2x with a positive sign, we cross equality sign to become minus 2x equals 3. Minus 27, we cross equality sign to become plus 27. 12x minus 2x is 10x. Follow carefully. Equals 3 plus 27 is 30. We are looking for the value of x and not 10x. To make x the subject of formula, we divide both sides by 10, which is the coefficient of x. We do same on this side of the equation. This 10 will cancel this 10. X equals 30 divided by 10 is what? 3. This is the value of x, 3. Now, it is not enough to say that the value of x is 3. We will always prove that our process is correct and the question itself is correct. Now, if you go to the equation, anytime you see x equals y, it simply means that x has the same value as y. So when you see 4x minus 9 equals 2x plus 3 over 3, it means everything here equals everything here. When you substitute the unknown with the value, let's prove that. Now, we have 4x. What is our x now? 3. Put it in brackets. 3 minus 9 equals 2x. What is our x now? 3. Put it in brackets. Plus 3 over 3, right? 4 times 3 is what? 12. 12 minus 9 equals 2 times 3 is what? 6 plus 3 over 3. 12 minus 9 is what? 3. 6 plus 3 is what? 9. 9 divided by 3 is what? 3. So everything here equals 3. Everything here equals 3. So the question is correct. The answer is correct. This is very simple. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. I trust you have learned a lot from this short class. Bye for now.